Hi Lisa, how are you today?
Good, yourself?
Great, thanks for coming in today.
No problem.
So we finished with your Invisalign treatment, and I think we took only 11 months, right?
Yeah.
By seems. And how did you find our office initially?
I found it through my brother's wife's cousins because they're both doing Invisalign treatments here.
Nice, okay. And what are their names?
Maya, Elias, and Shireen.
Oh, okay, good. And are they finished yet?
No, one is doing like a whole new treatment because of
Is
her
it?
teeth, and then the other one's finished. She had a gap in the front. It's like perfect now.
Oh, great, great. And you, I think we did quite well for 11 months.
Yeah, I love it.
So now I think you had mentioned that you had wanted your braces corrected earlier, right?
At 16.
At a younger age, but what was that? Bit of that?
Well, my dentist said I wasn't ready yet because my teeth could still shift. So he's like, well, we'll just wait till you get older. But I mean, it wasn't shifting, and it always was protruding my tooth, and I really wanted it done. So when I came to Ottawa, like my first initiative was go find a dentist.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you did get it done because you've been an excellent patient. How did you find our office?
The staff is so friendly, and they were like always asking, how's your treatment going? Like I found you guys wanted to see your clients like content.
Good. Well, that's our goal. That's our goal, and we do a lot of Invisalign, and most people have. I mean, almost everybody's happy, and I think you're one of them. And I really appreciate your time. And your teeth look great, as you can see in these pictures. This is your before, and then here's your after, and then looks great. I'm really happy to have you here. Now, we should check your teeth every 6 months or so, just for a couple of years to make sure that everything stays stable. Okay, and you were given all the instructions for your retainer.
Yes.
So, good.
I'm excited.
Yeah,
now I can finally have a good smile.
Yes. No, your teeth look great.
I love it.
Okay. Well, thanks again.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.